Good morning students. Welcome to this class. How are you? I hope that you are fine in your house. Today my topic is about our earth. Learning objectives. Learning objectives in this lesson are the formation of the earth, the universe and the solar system. The formation of earth, the universe and the solar system. The second one is, do you know? Do you know tells about additional information about the content. Venus is the only planet that rotates backwards. The Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. Venus rotates backwards. The Earth is the densest planet. Dear children, look at this picture. What is this? This is our Earth, our home planet. What are the features of the Earth? The Earth is in spherical shape. It has right amount of air, water and temperature. That's why the life is possible on the Earth. It is called a rocky planet. The Earth's surface covered with rocks. The rocks modified as mountains, plateaus, valleys and deserts. The Earth is covered 71% of water bodies like oceans and seas and 29% of land masses like continents. Dear students, we learnt about the features of the Earth. Where is it? Where is it located? Do you know? The Earth is located in one of the Milky Ways. What is called Milky Way? Where is it? The Milky Way contains billions of stars. It is in the universe. Next one is about formation of the Earth. How did the Earth and other planets form? Earth formed about 4.5 billion years ago, and the solar system made of a cloud of dust and gas. The rotating cloud of dust and gas is called solar nebula. Due to an explosion of solar nebula, these particles break into pieces suddenly and they began to spin around the sun. The bigger planets, the bigger particles which revolved around the sun are called planets. In this way, the Earth formed. The next one is about universe. What is called universe? What does it consist of? The universe is a vast expansion of space. It consists of galaxy, stars, planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, meteoroids, comets and natural satellites. The space between stars and galaxy is largely empty. The size of the universe is still unknown. Let us see one more time about the formation of the Earth. Formation of the Earth. Earth formed made of the cloud of dust and gas. The cloud of dust and gas is called solar nebula. Due to explosion of solar nebula, they break into pieces. The bigger particles which revolve around the sun are called planets. Which revolve around the sun are called planets. The next one is about the universe. Universe. What is called a universe? The universe is a vast expansion of space. What is the meaning of vast? Vast means extremely big. What is the meaning of space? Space is an area which surrounds the earth, planets and stars. Which surrounds planets and stars. So the universe, what does universe consist? The universe consists of millions of stars, the galaxies, planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, and the natural satellites. So what does the universe consist of? The universe consists of billions of stars, galaxies, planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, meteoroids, comets and natural satellites. Let us see one by one. What is called galaxies? What does it contain? Let us see one by one. What is called galaxy? A galaxy is a huge collection of dust and gas and billions of stars with their solar systems. The next one is what is called stars. Star is a luminous ball of gas. Mostly they consist of hydrogen and helium gas. They produce heat and light. They are far away from the earth. That's why they look small. The next one is about planets. What are called planets? The planet is a larger object. They are smaller than stars. They do not produce any light. The next one is about asteroids. What are called asteroids? Asteroid is a rocky object in outer space. They revolve around the sun. What is called meteoroids? Meteoroid is a rocky or metallic object in outer space. They are smaller than asteroids. they orbit the sun. It would become meteor when it entered into the Earth atmosphere. What is called meteor? Meteor is a streak of light in the sky. When it entered into the Earth atmosphere, the meteors crashed into the Earth atmosphere and they began to glow. It is called as a shooting star or falling star. What is called comets? Comets is an object in the outer space. They revolve around the sun. It looks like a bright star with a tail. What is called natural satellites? A satellite is anything which revolve around a larger object. Moon is an example of the natural object because they revolve around the planet Earth. Now let us see one by one. The first one is galaxy. It consists of a huge collection of dust and gas. Dust and gas. Huge collection of dust and gas. And billions of stars with their solar system. With their solar systems. The second one is star. Star means it is a luminous ball of gas. Luminous ball of gas. It consists of hydrogen and helium gas. Hydrogen and helium gas. They produce heat and light. The next one is what is called a planet. A planet is a larger object. They do not produce any light. The next one is about asteroid. Asteroid means rocky object in the sky. Rocky object in the space, in outer space. Next one, meteoroids. Meteorites are also rocky or metallic objects. Or metallic objects. They are smaller than asteroids. So what is called a meteor? Meteor is a streak of light in the sky. In the sky. It is called as a shooting star or falling star. The next one is about comets. Comet is a look like a star with a tail. Comets look like a star, looks like a star with a tail. Look like a star with a tail. The next one is about natural satellites. Natural satellite is anything which revolve around a bigger or object. Revolve around bigger object. Example of the natural satellite is moon. Let us see about solar system. What is called solar system? What does it consist of? Solar system consists of sun, 8 planets with their moons, dwarf planets, asteroids and comets. All they bound together by gravity. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune and Uranus. These planets are classified into 3 groups according to their nature. The first one is rocky inner planets. The second one is gaseous planets. The third one is frozen planets. Let us see one by one. The first one is rocky inner planets. The planets which have rocky surface are called rocky inner planets. The example of these: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The second one is about gaseous planets. The planets which are filled with gas like hydrogen and helium are called gaseous planets. We could not stand on the surface of these planets because they are not solid. The example of these: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The next one is about frozen planets. What are called frozen planets? The planets which are filled with ice are called frozen planets. Example for this: Uranus and Neptune. Let us see one more time. Solar system. Solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, moon, dwarf planets, asteroids and comets. Planets are divided into 3 groups. According to their nature. The first one is rocky inner planets. The second one is gaseous planets. The third one is frozen planets. What is called rocky inner planets? The planets which have rocky surface is called rocky inner planets. Example for this: Mercury, Venus, Mars and Earth. What is called gaseous planets? The planets which are filled with gas are called gaseous planets. What are the gases filled here? Hydrogen and helium. The examples of the gaseous planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, the planets which are filled with ice. Ice are called frozen planets. Example for this, Uranus and Neptune. Some interesting facts about the planets. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth planet in the solar system. Mercury is a small planet and Mars is a red planet. Earth is called blue planet. Venus is called hottest planet. Saturn is called a ringed planet. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. That means the Earth located in third positions of the solar system. Earth is the fifth biggest planet. In size. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mars is a red planet. Earth is called blue planet. Saturn is called ringed planet. Venus is called hot planet. Let us discuss about some hard words with their meanings and some question answers from the lesson. Hard words. What is the meaning of vast? Vast means extremely big. The meaning of explosion is sudden burst. The meaning of collapse is break into pieces suddenly. Gravity means the natural force that makes things fall to the ground when you drop them. Luminous means glowing brightly. So answer the following questions. Why life is possible on the earth? Life is possible on the earth because it has right amount of air, water and temperature. Name the planets of the earth. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. What does the universe consist of? The universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, meteoroids, comets and natural satellites. Name some rocky inner planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Now we have discussed about features of the earth, the formation of the earth, solar system and the universe. Thank you children. We will meet in next class.